in a top farm. Top farm. Man a shoot and a score, Steph Curry. Going for the foods, man, they tell the chef hurry.
Hey there, welcome back to my kitchen. How are you guys doing? Thank you guys so much for joining me today. I'm your favorite master chef, of course, period. So today I'll be making sweet and sour chicken, as you can see from the title down below. I got this suggestion from Instagram. My Instagram fam is like the best. I left a thumbnail of the last cooking video on my Instagram, and I asked, what do you guys want to cook next? Because of course I'm the master chef. Okay, so someone had said sweet and sour chicken, and someone said some crab dish, and I was like, we ain't gonna do no crab right now, so chicken is the more convenient option. So I went ahead with that suggestion. So if you guys are not following me on Instagram, please do so right now. If you're not subscribed, please do so right now. If you're not following me on TikTok, please go and do so right now. Thank you guys so much. I gave you enough time to do all that. Now let's get right into the video. Alright guys, so we first start off with our ingredients. This here is all that I'll be using today. This is what the recipe calls for. I'm going to be putting where I get the ingredients from in the description bar below, so you can go and check it out. But before we talk about all of these other stuff, the chicken was marinated overnight. Let me show you guys. Season, and I marinated it. They asked that we put cornstarch, salt, and egg white, so we could have it overnight. So that's what I did. You can stay overnight, or you can stay 15 minutes in all of that. So the egg white, I used 2 egg whites, cornstarch. I don't even know what amount. I just eyeballed it, and yeah, and I just season it up as regular. And for today, I'll be adding these in: the vinegar, the pineapple. I'm not a fan of canned pineapple, but my bad because the ingredients don't need it, whatever. Ginger, I'm going to have to grate this. So I have my grater here, so I'm going to grate it, sweet pepper and thing. So yeah, I'm going to grate this and start with it. Alright, so I'm going to use this amount of ginger, probably not all of it. I washed it already, so I'm just stripping it. I think this amount is good. I think that's enough. I think so. And it's a 1 teaspoon. I think that make a teaspoon. I think that's good enough. Side trash. So yep, we're using that. Now we're going to move on to making the sauce. We're gonna make the sauce. Alright, so to make the sauce, we're gonna use our pineapple juice from this. I already washed it up, so don't come for me. I don't even know. I don't even know what amount of juice I'm supposed to use, yo. This look like quarter cup of juice. You say quarter cup. I don't know quarter cup look, you know. This look like quarter cup. This look like quarter cup. No, focus. Well, I'm gonna use the chunks. Chunks are inside. And so we don't use them this, so just go by with them say. So whisk together. This I look like it. I guess if anything we put more ketchup in there. I don't know. Let's see. Yeah, so I'm going to just add my chicken because then I just saw it add it. Add that. Probably the slices are just too big. I don't know. So I'm just let you beer things. I'll make that one. Do it and the stove. That's it. Sun finally come out now. Well, not that I want sun, we need some water, we need rain. Yeah. But we can't please any black people. But this is the greenery. It's my area. Lush and nice. Yep. Alright guys, so I'm just doing what the recipe says, okay? So it says you must like fry the chicken, make it get a little bit brown. So make it get like a bit brown. And have to why? Now I want them to change the pot now because then I'm have to add the sauce and everybody. So when we change the pot, if it's supposed to look like this on my bottom because mine are non-sticky now. Oh god. I need help. Somebody help me, please. Alright, so I think I'm gonna change the pot. I'm gonna use the one over there. Alright, let's see. Alright, so I'm gonna change the pot. I'm going to add my sweet pepper. I'm gonna add pepper on my what is her name again? My ginger with me. Wait. To the oil. Whoa. Turn on it a little bit. So this is sauteed for a little while. And then get soft or something. And then I'll be adding my chicken and the sauce and thing. Hey, I don't want to smell in that kitchen. Oh my gosh. And the air smells so good. Look at it. I made some more sauce just now because I feel as though I'm gonna put more sauce in there just to make it cook down more. You understand? Because I want the chicken well cooked. So that's going to be something that I'll be doing shortly. So, oh gosh, look there. Hey, hey, Master Chef, Master Chef. Master Chef dance. Yes, so I'm happy. You can smell it. If my neighbor them can smell it, oh gosh, they must can smell it. You smell it. The aroma is so nice. It's so lovely. Oh jeez, I can't wait to take the picture, thumbnail and stuff. But I have to catch this one here though. I have to catch this one here. I hope you don't go by the time if you finish. So we can make it presentable and edible so it pull you guys into watch. Oh my gosh, I'm so proud of myself yet again. It's another MasterChef moment. And I have an extra taster in the house, so I'm gonna see if I did a good job. I think so. It smells good. So I'm gonna add the sauce. Hold on, let me turn this way. I'm gonna add. Oops. Now I add pineapples to it as well. The chunks probably add like a few more in there, but so I just add a little bit of vinegar, ketchup, salt, and sprinkle the sugar in it. You know? Yeah. So, so I'm gonna put this in there now. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh no, oh has been in here. Well, that's no. You guys really want to spill in here. Oh, look at it. 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 Alright, so I'm gonna just leave it, make it go and cook. And I'll get back to you guys. Look who has graced the kitchen. Can't even see him. Come for eat out the pan. As I told you guys, I don't fancy canned pan, so just using the juice to cook. And look at my pot, y'all. Coming together so effortlessly. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's so pretty. Alright, you can stay a little bit more and then we take it off and serve. Okay. Okay guys, so this is the final presentation of the sweet and sour chicken. Yep, my plate is over there, so my plate now as presentable as these. So that's out of it. But look at it. I think I did a good job. I still have enough plantain. I don't have any veggies or whatever, so I just put like a plantain on the side. So we're gonna get the reactions, taste this and beer things. Yeah, so let's go.
You want me to taste it?
Yes,
And
go ahead.
critique it? What should I taste? The rice, the plantain, or the chicken?
The whole food.
Everybody know the answer already. First Cassius.
You good for real?
Nice.
Can't believe it, tasting not even the sauce. Achieve mode. You like it?
Now should I taste the pepper and the rice? This is perfect.
Okay, so what about the chicken?
Well sweet.
It tastes like sweet and sour or just sweet sweet?
Not really tasting sourness. I don't know why, but
Probably enough. So you don't have that tangy taste then?
I'm not really tasting sour. You know, it's a sweet and sour, you know, it's fun. It's just sweet and nice.
Oh, so it's just nice. No overbearing sweet. Okay.
Perfect.
Alright. Alright, so this is my cousin. Taste this. Not tell me no lie, no?
I'm not telling no lie, man.
How it tastes?
Tastes like if I put someone on a plate.
Yo! You know, hear the comments there? Me never say nothing, you know, me just say taste. You hear that? Tastes good.
Nice, man.
Nice? Sweet and sour chicken. It tastes sweet and sour chicken or just...
You have the two blend them, man.
Okay, you have it too blend. Alright, so... Ooh, this every Sunday. Everything I step up. So, my next cousin. Carry one part because nobody want to eat with spoon pan carry bread. Alright, hold on. You know, so at that time it was at that time I evening again. You have to go carry up the table. PUBG again.
This looks so pretty.
Why am I sweet and sour chicken? So tell me if you... Give me a feedback. Tell me what.
Restaurant chefing.
So, I just feel so that they hype me up. I just feel so they just hype. Hi guys, so I just tasted my meal. It's real good. I don't know what happened to the camera, but it stopped recording, so yeah. Yes guys, I just want to say, if you guys are going to try this meal one Sunday or sometime in the week, comment down below, as well as like this video if you do like this video, share this video if you still liked it, and subscribe below if you have not subscribed as yet. So I'll see you guys next time in my next cooking video and other videos.